Hey guys, Richard from WELSHYTECH. Right, this is a video I'm doing right now. This is me buying a personal upgrade for my computer, for my Ryzen system. Please continue to watch, I hope you enjoy, thank you. So then, I bought something for my computer that a lot of people have been saying for me to get because I've got Ryzen. So I thought that I had a bit of extra money, I thought bugger it, I might as well buy it. So what I actually bought was a kit of 16 gigs to DDR4 2600 megahertz, and it is a Corsair Vengeance Pro RGB. Yeah, I've actually got RGB, and here it is. There it is. It looks absolutely fantastic. It's in black. At the moment, I have actually got a white Vengeance LPX 3000 megahertz kit. I don't know, I've been checking online thinking should I not, but I wanted to go Pro because of the RGB. Also, I've got a Corsair cooler which also has the IQ software built in as well as Corsair Link. So I thought bugger it, my case is white with red LEDs. Now my motherboard, my graphics card and my cooler can do RGB. My case on the other hand, it's the Phanteks Enthoo Lux, the white edition. It's the non-tempered glass version, so it's quite old. I bought this in I think 4-5 years ago when it first came out, so it's been long. That's the next thing I'm going to be upgrading, is a new case. I'm waiting for the new Lee & Lee white mesh RGB case. Now that one isn't out yet. The black version is, but I don't like the black version. I want the white version because I got a white. I got dark. I had black for ages. I had a Corsair half X case which was in black. I had that from 2011, something like that, 2011. So I bought it then. I had it a few years, but I had to get rid of it. So this is the RGB kit. As you can see, it's got this LED this RGB thing at the back. Yeah, I'm probably gonna lose a little bit of latencies because at the moment my RAM is set at latency 16, but I wanted faster RAM for Ryzen because obviously with the first generation Ryzen, the higher the RAM speeds, the better the performance. But obviously it's not the same case with 3000 series. But apparently you get a performance difference from going from 3000 to 3600. So I thought bugger it, I would. Cost me £91 on overclockers.co.uk. I paid £16 extra for next day delivery. Make sure I got it. Considering that this is a pro kit, which back a year and a half ago you couldn't get 16 gigs of 3600 megahertz for less than £150. It goes to show that prices for RAM has gone down. My next upgrade after this now is going to be a 1TB NVMe SSD from Western Digital. I'm going to get the Western Digital black because that's the fastest one. I don't want the blue, no. But I thought I'd just do a video for you guys. I'm really excited because I want to see the difference. So the next video I'm going to do is going to be 3000 megahertz versus 3600 megahertz. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please continue to watch and subscribe below for further videos. I am doing more videos. I've got a couple of World of Warships coming out again, another few videos. So please continue. Give a big like or a big thumbs down. I don't care. It's up to you. I hope you enjoyed. This is Welshy from WELSHYTECH out.